how does that link to magic? Well, what helped me the most was the fact that when I was young, I took a course on how to be a magician. How is that even connecting, right? One to the other. And he follows, right, with his sharing to say, when you learn how to be a magician, what you're actually learning is how do you direct people's attention. It's the same skill with an Excel. And there is a quote that more stories have been written in Excel than in Word. Have you heard that one? So the amount of reports that can be tweaked to show what you want to show. The point here is, how does that link to magic? It's again, the skill of being able to tell a story, to influence people, to influence the CEO is ultimately the secret sauce. And I can't, again, emphasize enough on how that business language, because again, coming back to jargon, that business language is absolutely crucial.